I am starting off this challenge right with steak. And are you gonna have some steak too?
Yeah.
Yeah, are you excited? You're climbing on my counter and you're jumping off?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Apparently this is what it's like to have a boy. How are you so strong?
I don't know,
I don't either.
but I could get up here by myself.
I see that.
Without a stool.
Without a stool. Okay, so we got some tri-tip steak. All I'm gonna do is season with some smoked salt and some black pepper. And I'm just cooking them on a low temp in the air fryer for a little bit to get them kind of cooked through, warmed through. And then I'm gonna put them in a pan and get them crispy. Okay, here, we'll put this right here.
Can I get the...
I need to cut it first. Can you scoot back? I think I cooked it a little bit too much. It's only a tiny bit pink inside. That makes me sad.
But I like it a tiny bit pink inside. It's crispy.
I like it a lot pink inside.
But it isn't good. It's not. Yes.
All right,
Only the
there's
white
your
cat.
steak.
But you can use it. Mom, what is steak made out of?
Beef.
What kind of animal?
Well, this one is made out of beef. A cow.
Okay, that's good. Because I love cows.
I love cows too.
But not the ones that come into our yard.
Yeah, they're a little bit annoying because we can't eat them.
But, yeah, but if we get cows, I think we'll get baby.
That would be fun, wouldn't
And we
it?
can hold it.
That would be so fun.
Even if we, wait, are we going to get a baby goat?
At some point. I mean, the little girls were babies when we got them. All right, it is breakfast time / lunchtime because it's getting close to noon right now. But I just put 11 ounces of steak on my plate and I am gonna just eat on this until I'm full. I may eat all of it, I may not. I don't know yet. I thought about making a couple of eggs to throw on top and like have a little bit less steak, but then I was like, I don't feel like cooking eggs, so I'm just gonna have more steak. So this is breakfast / lunch. Go outside. It is afternoon chore time, and one of the things that we have been doing for the goats is going and cutting down some brush, a lot of blackberries, and then putting them in a wagon and taking them to the goats because they've pretty much eaten their goat field pretty clean. Are you ready? What did you get?
My new gloves.
He just got some new work gloves, so we're gonna break them in. You ready?
Yeah, Dad's hasn't come.
Yeah, Dad ordered some new ones, and Levi ordered some new. Well, Dad ordered some new ones for Levi. So I have my hedge trimmer, and I usually go and I cut a whole bunch, and then the kids collect it up, put it in the wagon, and take it to the happy goats. We are still getting blackberries. I thought they would be done by now. And look at all those little bugs.
Oh yeah, but
I got this branch for you, Levi.
yeah,
You don't want to get it all over your new gloves, though.
yeah, but can I?
How about we save it and you can eat it after we're done?
Yeah, wait, we should make blackberry cobbler with it.
Well, it's not quite enough for that.
No, I want to catch it. Do you see it? Oh, there it is. Oh, you got it. Good job. Come on.
Come here, come here.
No, it doesn't. Oh, right there.
Uh-oh. You might need to take off your gloves.
Take off your gloves. Here.
Izzy, don't eat the frog.
No, Izzy.
I know, it was so cool.
Yeah. But
Is that blackberry still attached? I think it's still attached. Yeah, it is. See? Oh man, you're really strong. Whew! Blackberries are hard to pull out of the ground, let me tell you what. I'll have to cut it for you. Just set that down, I'll cut it for you. Izzy, sit. Maybe he's the smartest. He knows where all the good stuff is.
Mom, they don't even care.
Care about what? Oh, the door's open? Yeah, because now they got a whole thing of weeds.
I didn't catch any frogs.
I'm so sorry. Sometimes you win some, you lose some. That's just the way it goes. You guys gonna check for eggs?
Oh, yeah. Oh, but me check. Holly already did.
Did she? Well, we can see.
Whoa. Chickens are crazy.
She already got them?
No, I think she already got them.
Oh, okay.
But there was a chicken.
There was a chicken butt. We're gonna go ahead and let the chickens out for their free ranging time. Ready? Go ahead. Here they come. Here they come. Find some good bugs.
They're really hungry.
I think they must be.
I'll open the door.
Look at those happy goats. It is 3 p.m. and I am definitely ready for some electrolytes. I have been feeling it, and after doing that work outside, I know I need it. So I am going to mix up citrus salt. It is about 4:30 now, and my meal times are just not regular meal times because I'm hungry now. So I am having a keto chow core with a scoop of prime protein. That brings the protein in the shake up to 46 grams of protein. I'm trying to prioritize protein this month, and I like the idea of 46 grams of protein in my meal. So I am going to be enjoying this, and I do not know if I will need another meal the rest of the day or not. I'm just going to play it by ear, and we'll see. I'm shopping from my freezer. We got to clear out some room in here because I ordered half a cow that's coming in 2 to 3 weeks. So shopping from the freezer, I'm going to defrost this pork sirloin, these pork sirloin chops. I don't know how many, it looks like there's just one big one in there. And that's going to be part of dinner.
Yeah, can I have it?
Yeah.
Can I have a little sip in it? No, there's none. How much is left in there? What?
Levi,
What?
come here.
Mom,
What are you doing?
I'm being a velociraptor.
What's a velociraptor?
It's a kind of dinosaur.
Okay, go ahead and show me your best velociraptor. I put a little over 8 ounces of pork chop on my plate, and I will just eat as much as I need. And I was thinking I would stir fry some cabbage or something to go with it, and then I just didn't feel like it. Again, just keeping things simple. While I was cooking, I did snack on about 5 of these garlic jalapeno stuffed olives. I am going to attempt a keto chow hot chocolate for the evening. I've actually never made keto chow hot before, so this will be exciting. I'm using core. I'm doing a half of a scoop. I don't need a full scoop, of course. I have 10 ounces of water that I already heated up in my kettle, and then 1 tablespoon of butter and half a scoop of the core protein powder. Let's see, here's my lid. We'll see how this works. Oh, gotta plug it in. We'll get it. Extra frothy. There we go. All right, I think that worked pretty well. All right, this is the last thing I'm going to have for the evening.